Hey viewers, Subhashni Manohar here. The subject is English literature for the class 8th. This was a prose. The name of the prose is The Best Christmas Present in the World. It was written by Michael Morpurgo and he was the author. The man who is shown in this picture, he was the author of The Best Christmas Present in the World, and he also was an English book author, poet, playwright, and librettist who is known best for children's novels such as Warhouse. He was born on 5th October 1943. His age is 76. His notable works were Butterfly Line, Running Wild, Kensuke's Kingdom, Private Peaceful, Farm Boy, Shadow Alone in a Wide, Wide Sea. The introduction to the prose, The Best Christmas Present in the World. The narrator buys an old desk and finds in it a letter written by English soldier Jim Macpherson to his wife Connie, whom the narrator goes to meet and hand over the letter. When the narrator came to see Connie and gave her the box, she mistook him for her husband Jim. She thought that Jim had came home for Christmas. This was Connie's Christmas present. It was the best ever Christmas present in the world for her because Jim had written in the letter that he would come home for Christmas and she reminded that he had kept his promise. So, the character sketches. There are four characters in this prose, including the author. So, first one was Jim Macpherson. He was the leader of the English troop. Before getting into a war, he was a school teacher in Dorset, present in the western part of England. His wife is Connie Macpherson. She is the wife of Jim Macpherson. After her husband went to war, she spent her whole life in a belief that she will see him again, he will come back to her again. His letters were evidence that he also loved his wife very much. Hans Wolff, he is the friend of Jim Macpherson and also the captain of German troop. He worked in a cello orchestra in Dusseldorf before the war. In this story, author bought a roll-top table from a junk shop. It was in a worse condition, almost in a worst condition. He started working on it on Christmas Eve. The roll-top was broken into several pieces, one leg clumsily mended, scorch marks all down one side. The man who sold it told him it was very old, but the author planned of renewing it. He removed the roll-top completely and opened the drawers. It was damaged by water and fire. The lost drawer was stuck fast. He couldn't open it. He has to use much force to open it. On top of the box, these words were written. Jim's last letter, received Jan 25th, 2015, to be burnt with me when time comes. Inside, there was an envelope with address Mrs. Jim Macpherson, 12 Copper Beaches, Bidport. The date was December 26, 1914. The author read the letter. The owner of the letter must have put it in. The letter had been written by Captain of English Army, Mr. Jim Macpherson. He had written it to his wife, Miss Jim Macpherson. A wonderful incident had happened on a Christmas day in his life. He had narrated it in this letter to his wife. Germans and British were at war. Suddenly Jim saw someone waving white flag from the opposite side, that is enemy side. Then he saw many German soldiers calling out to them. They were wishing happy Christmas to the English soldiers. The captain of the English army alarmed. It could be a trick, but it was not. They were coming with friendly feel. They were bringing with them German wine and canned meat. The German soldier moved towards Jim Macpherson and shook hands warmly. He said that his name is Hans Wolff and he was from Dusseldorf. He played cello in orchestra. In return, Jim Macpherson also introduced himself that he was a school teacher in Dorset once. Hans Wolff smiled. He said that he knew Dorset. His famous writer was Thomas Hardy. His favorite book was Far from Madding Crowd. He read about Dorset in that book. Macpherson shared Christmas cake with Hans Wolff. He said that marzipan was the best ever he had tasted. All the soldiers were playing together. Hans and Jim cheered and clapped. They didn't play. Hans said, "World would be better if problems were resolved by football match instead of war." This means that they don't like war and they want peace everywhere. After the football match, all drinks and eatables were consumed. It was time to part. Hans saluted Macpherson and walked away unwillingly. They became friends in a short span. Germans were singing a carol at that night. The English soldier repeated with chorus of another carol. Jim wrote in his letter that he would hold this moment in his heart forever. He wouldn't forget it at any extent. He ended the letter hoping that war would end soon and he will come home as soon as possible. Both armies longed for peace, and he was sure that they would be together again. Having read the letter, the author put it back in the envelope. He decided to give the letter to whom it belongs to. The address was of Bidport, Dorset, so he drove to that place. The house turned out to be a burnt out shell. Mrs. Jim Macpherson was in the house when it caught fire. She was saved and 1 year old now. She was in a nursing home. So he went to the nursing home. He met her matron. She told that Mrs. Jim Macpherson was rather confused on that day. She was in a conservatory. The author found Mrs. Jim Macpherson sitting on a chair. He called her and gave the letter. He told her how he got the letter, but she was not listening to him. She was in a dreamland. She reached out and took his hand. Her eyes was filled with tears. She felt that her husband, Jim, has returned and kept his promise. He had returned on eve of Christmas. She made him sit beside her and kissed his cheek. It was the best Christmas present ever in the world. She said that she got the best Christmas present ever in the world. Moral of the lesson: the theme of the story, the best Christmas present in the world, depicts the brotherhood and universal bonhomie. Soldiers in enemy camps want peace and harmony. They also want to live with their families. The discord of leaders develop no enmity among them. It conveys that war and fight only bring sadness and humiliation all around the world and also between each other. One should generally follow the path of peace for attaining happiness in the world. This would be the best Christmas gift, of course. Thank you.